Okay, I'm going to show you how to create your own gradient map and then to apply it to a picture of your choice. So as you see, I have a photograph open. I'm just going to unlock the background. Then I'm going to come down here to add an adjustment layer, that circle, half and half circle. Click on that, and then I'm going to click on Gradient Map. Gradient's up at the top, but we want Gradient Map down here. Okay, then I'm just going to click on the down arrow to give us some choices. Now these are the ones that I have to choose from. I don't want those ones. I want to use one of the colors that we learned about in the color psychology. So, but I'm going to start with the black to white. And then, so I click on that, and then if I click up here, it will give us a chance to customize it. So first I'm going to click on this, and it turns it into the active stop on the gradient. So you'll see it has black down here. I'm going to leave the black black, so that would be the deepest, darkest shadows would stay black, but I'm going to click right here, and it will bring that color to the new stop where I put it. But I don't want black there. I'm going to work with, let's say, green today. And so I'm going to bring it down here. As you'll see, I have the H selected on the HSB for hue. So this shows us the different hues. So I'm going to click on green. Okay. And I'm going to keep it a dark green for now. Maybe go maybe a little bit more, like right there. Okay. Then, and you can always adjust that. Okay. Here. You can see when I let go of it, it will change. Okay. So you can kind of adjust that how you would like to. I think I want that about right there. Okay, now I'm going to pick a lighter shade about there. And then come down here to the color, and then I get to change it again. I'm going to move it, as I go, move it from green to blue and from dark to light. So I'm moving the green a little bit up toward the blue, and I'm going to move it a little lighter as well, which would be a little less value. Okay, so I'm going to, again, I can move that, or you can move that as you see fit. So I'm going to do another one here. And again, I'm going to go a little more blue and a little bit lighter. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to the light section, till the whitest of the whites. So I'm going to turn it a little more blue, a little less value, a little lighter, brighter color. Now, even though I'm doing it this way, I'm doing green to blue and dark to light, you do not have to do that. You can do anything that you choose to do. Any color, any lightness, darkness. So you can try this if you'd like to, but again, you can do anything that you would like to do. You do not have to follow the way I'm doing it. I'll add one more, and I'm going to go blue all the way, but I want to keep it really light. So I'm going to go over there, maybe a little more color to it. There we go. Okay, and so that is the gradient that I have created. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. So this would be my color gradient map over the black and white photo. This is an analogous color scheme, which uses colors similar to each other or next to each other on the color wheel, and that is because I chose to use blues and greens. If I chose to use just blues or just greens and different shades and tints of just one color, that would be called monochromatic. Now I would like for you to save 2 different versions of your project. One, I would like for you to save with the color gradient map over just the black and white, so just the way it is now. You can do that by, you can go ahead and File, Save As, and then I would like for you to save this as a PSD and a JPEG both. So you'll have to save it twice, and you're going to title it Custom Gradient Map version 1, and then save. Okay, I'm not going to do that right this second. So you will do that as a PSD, and then you will also save it as a JPEG. And then also we are going to do an overlay of our color gradient map over the original photograph as well. So there you can see my color gradient map over the original photograph. And to see the effect of that, you can close that eye of the gradient map layer just to kind of go back and forth and see what you've done. Okay, and so then you are going to save another version. So you're going to do Save As, then you're going to do Custom Gradient Map 2, and you'll save that as both a PSD and a JPEG as well. Then when you submit this, you will send me 4 files. Actually, scratch that. Just send me version 1 JPEG and version 2 JPEG. Okay? Keep the PSDs just in case you want to add something or change something later, just for the fun of it. Okay? Thanks, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.